In this session, I'm going to talk about predicting the answer. In the listening, you always have time to read the questions before the audio, and it's an important strategy to work out the kind of answer that they are looking for. In the first two sections, they'll be looking for simple factual information. So, for example, if it says cost of entrance, they're looking for a number or a price. If it says starts at, then they are looking for a time. And if it says meet in, then they are looking for a place. It's the same for the section 4, but the type of information will be different. So, for example, if it says travelled by, they're looking for a kind of transport. If it says wore, they're looking for a type of clothing. When you have sentence completion, it's very important to get the right type of word which fits in the sentence.